Good day everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to walk through a step-by-step guide to remove the Copilot extension from SQL Server Management Studio version 21. I will show you exactly how to locate and completely remove the Copilot extension from SSMS 21 in just a few easy steps. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more SQL Server and Azure related tutorials. Let's get started. In my previous videos, I've showed you guys how to install SQL Server 2025 and also install SQL Server Management Studio version 21, either using online or offline method. Yeah. This video is specifically to remove the Copilot. If you look at it here, right now I have a Copilot configured in my SSMS. Now, if you want to remove that for any particular reason, then you can follow the instruction that I'm going to tell in this video. Yep. On the SQL Server Management Studio, click on Tools and then click on Options. And if you look at it here, you have an option here for Copilot. Click on that and then click on Azure OpenAI settings. Yeah. So what you can now do is like just remove these things here. Yeah. So you can remove the Azure OpenAI deployment details and also the Azure OpenAI endpoint. Yep. Once that is done, click on OK. Yep. Once you have removed everything, if you click on Copilot, you will get the option to reconfigure everything. Yeah, this way you have removed or unconfigured Copilot from your SQL Server Management Studio version 21. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.